Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use public barbecues in Australia. These fantastic facilities are a staple of Australian outdoor life, found in parks, beaches, and picnic areas nationwide. They're usually electric or gas-powered and completely free for public use. Before you even think about cooking, always give the hot plate a quick check to ensure it's clean and ready for your delicious meal. Preparation is key for a great barbecue experience. Remember to bring all your own essentials: cooking utensils, a scraper, paper towels, and of course, your food. Once you're ready, turn on the barbecue and let the hot plate preheat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This ensures even cooking. Most importantly, never leave your food unattended while it's cooking to avoid any burnt surprises or potential hazards. Now for the fun part, cooking. Make sure your food is cooked thoroughly, reaching safe internal temperatures to prevent any foodborne illnesses. Once you've finished cooking and enjoyed your meal, the most crucial step is cleaning up. Immediately scrape down the hot plate with your scraper and a little water. Finally, dispose of all your rubbish responsibly in the provided bins or take it home if bins are full. Good barbecue etiquette ensures everyone can enjoy these facilities. Be mindful of others who might be waiting and try to limit your cooking time to around 1 hour, especially during busy periods. If you notice any damaged or faulty barbecues, please report them to the local council so they can be repaired. And for your next adventure, whether it's a new recipe or a captivating story, remember you can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.